Good morning, friends. Whenever we are trying to use a new USB device or new pen drive, sometime the device is write protected. Like suppose this is my USB drive, new USB drive. If I try to copy this file to here inside this, it is saying the disk is write protected. It means the disk is not ready to copy anything. So what we have to do, we have to make it write remover. So how to remove the write protection? Let's see. So what we have to do, we can just go to Windows search or start and search for regedit. So if you search for regedit, it will go to here register editor. Just open here and you always find this H key local machine. Inside H key local machine, just go for system. Inside system, you go to current control set. Inside current control set, you go to controls and then search for system. Storage, search for storage. So you can see this storage management, but we have to search storage device policies. So there is no storage device policies. There should be one folder name storage device policies. So since there is no storage device policies here, what we will do, we will create a new here. So what you do, just go to new key and give name storage device policies, like this. Just create like this storage device policies. Now inside this again we need to create a new keyword 64-bit value. If your computer is 64-bit, you can use this. If your computer is 32-bit, you can use this. Since it is my computer is 64-bit, I can go inside this. Now how to check your computer is 64-bit or so what you can do, you can go to my computer. So like this, if you go to your computer like this, click on this PC, right click properties. So if you go here, you can see this system type 64-bit operating processor, like this. So this is how you can check your system is right 64-bit or 32-bit. Now go back again, go next 64-bit and give this name write protect. Write protect. Now right click on this and click modify. You see this value is 0, so make it 1. Okay, so now this property has been set. Now let's try to format this. Now just format it. Okay, it's still not working. So sometime on some computer this option will work and sometime on some computer that will not work. So if it is not working on your computer, let's try the next option now. Since it is not working in my computer also, I will tell you how to use another second option. Let's just see. So if by editing the registry, if it is not working on your system, then what you can do, just go to Google and search this Malwa style. Just go to this link. Go down, just this one. And just download this software. So just go to here and take this link and download the software. Okay, just save this on desktop. Okay, now it is saved. This one, just open this one, extract here. Now it is extracted. Okay, setup. Just install this one. Okay, now it is installed. Now open your disk repair. You see this launch disk repair.exe. Open this app. Yes. So once you open this one, you search this USB only. Just select. So it will show you that your USB card. This is the USB card. Then you can click on disk part. Just click OK. So it is making partitioning of your USB card. So once this USB card partitioning is complete, you can just go and format your write protected USB. So you can try first the register in edit. If it does not work, then you can try this Malwa style USB repair. This is another way of formatting. In many computers the first option will work, but if it is not working, then you can try in this one. Now 93% completed. So once you are able to fix, you can easily use your USB drive. So this will solve all your problem with the write protected, either pen drive or USB card or anything, or micro SD card, anything. See, 98% completed. Oh, so this is also failed. It is giving some error. Looks like it is already opened, so you just go and try to format it. This is not working. So since it is also not working, we can try some other option. I will tell you solution in my next video. Thank you.